Hi, welcome back. Take another example for the understanding of the wide industry of the protocols. And now we have another important protocol which is called DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So here we take another example that this support guy here in the example. This support guy working in the IT department in this office behind the scene, and now this guest entered into his office, and this guest just identified that Wi-Fi is working inside the office, and he called this guy and asked about the password. Hey, do you know the password of the password for Wi-Fi connectivity? And this guy will definitely respond to this cute guest and will provide the password. Is this lady put the provided password into his mobile phone, and within a few seconds this device will be associated to this Wi-Fi device or wireless router, which is responsible for providing the LAN connectivity to all Wi-Fi clients. So is this cell phone connected to this device? After the connection, you know that for the purpose of communication we need an IP address we just learned in the previous session. So this device, this Wi-Fi device, will definitely provide an IP address to this cell phone. And when this cell phone get the IP address like this, here with the simple example, this cell phone will get the device which generally you connect your laptop at your home or in your office, like 100. Okay, this device will get this IP address, and after getting this IP address, internet access will be allowed to this, and this device is functioning properly. Now you notice another function, that this device just contact to this, and for the purpose of interconnectivity this wireless router provide this IP address to this machine or this cell phone. So for this, behind the scene another protocol is working, and this protocol is called DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. The core responsibility of the DHCP is that whenever any machine try to get entered into your network, and after authentication or after the password verification, this protocol will be provide the IP address. So the DHCP, the responsibility of the DHCP is to provide IP addresses to all host machines for the purpose of internet connectivity. That's why we called it Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. I hope that you learn the basic ideas behind the protocol industry. Let's move further and discuss other ideas.